Is your living room turning into a sauna every summer? It's time to chill out with the world's top air conditioners that blend power, efficiency, and smart features. From whisper quiet window units to portable workhorses, we've tested them all so you can beat the heat like a pro. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. At number 5, we have LG Portable Air Conditioner, LP0621, WSR, the best budget air conditioner. Stay cool and comfortable with the LG LP0621 WSR Portable Air Conditioner. After extensive testing, it's clear this model shines as the best budget air conditioner for small spaces. Setting it up is a breeze. Within 10 minutes, I had it running smoothly, thanks to easy installation. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver for the window panels, which fit various window sizes. This feature is especially handy for those with wider windows. Cooling power stands out. Rated for rooms up to 250 square feet, it improved temperatures by over 2 degrees in a testing space of 550 square feet. Remarkably, this unit also uses less energy than other models while maintaining impressive performance. Noise levels remain reasonable. At 55 decibels on low and 57 decibels on high, expect a sound akin to quiet conversations. This makes it perfect for bedrooms or home offices where noise can be distracting. Weighing in at 60 pounds, it's relatively light and includes useful handles for transportation. However, it's worth noting that the unit can feel top-heavy when moving it around. Exercise caution when relocating it to prevent tipping. If you need more cooling power, consider LG's 7000 BTU model, the LP0721 WSR. Though it's not tested yet, it could be worth the slight investment. The LG LP0621 WSR stands out among budget options. Stay tuned. You'll see how to cool tight spaces without costing a fortune. At number 4, we have Frigidaire FFRA 051 WAE Window Air Conditioner, the best value window air conditioner. Stay cool on a budget with the Frigidaire FFRA 051 WAE Window Air Conditioner. You'll appreciate its simplicity and efficiency, making it the best value window air conditioner for smaller spaces. With 2 fan speeds and 4 modes, controlling your comfort is easy. Those 7 temperature levels help you pinpoint the exact chill you desire in your room. What stands out is its internal thermostat. It actively keeps your space at the perfect temperature by turning the air conditioner on and off as needed. This feature not only saves energy, but also ensures a consistent and pleasant environment. Compared to other models, this unit's basic controls make it user-friendly for anyone, regardless of tech savviness. Many air conditioners boast smart connectivity, but this one stays firmly rooted in practicality. Its no-frills design means you won't deal with complicated apps or unnecessary features. Sometimes, simplicity is key, allowing you to focus on what matters, staying comfortable. There's less control over advanced settings, which might not suit everyone's needs. However, for those seeking straightforward operation, such minimalism can be refreshing. Trying to figure out complicated functions is often a hassle, and this model sidesteps that entirely. What I love most about this air conditioner is how it takes the stress out of cooling a room. Keep watching. The next model packs more punch than its price suggests. Still searching for the perfect air conditioner? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. At number 3, we have BLACK+DECKER BPACT 08 WT Portable Air Conditioner, the best air conditioner for apartments. Beat the heat with the BLACK+DECKER BPACT 08 WT Portable Air Conditioner. This 8,000 BTU unit is ideal for cooling smaller spaces like bedrooms or studio apartments. One of the standout features is its quiet operation. Compared to many other portable models, this one won't drown you out during a cozy evening at home. Moving around your space is easy. Thanks to its lightweight design at only 53 pounds. The remote control is another highlight. You can adjust settings from anywhere in the room without getting up. The washable air filter easily slides out, making maintenance a breeze. You'll appreciate how simple it is to keep the air fresh. You might notice the unit's cooling power is slightly lower than some competitors. However, that trade-off allows for a quieter fan, which is perfect for nighttime use. Its single hose exhaust system works well for rooms under 350 square feet. If you're in a compact space, this won't be a problem. What I love most is how convenient this portable air conditioner is for apartments. You can easily reposition it as needed and enjoy comfort wherever you are. The quieter operation is a definite win for those who value tranquility over extreme cooling power. While it may not excel in larger areas, it's designed perfectly for small living spaces. Hold tight. Up next is a portable powerhouse that follows you anywhere. At number 2, we have Windmill Smart Window Air Conditioner, the best modern features air conditioner. Stay cool and comfortable with the Windmill Smart Window Air Conditioner. This sleek unit makes a big impact without disrupting your decor. It's one of the top choices for anyone looking for modern features combined with efficiency. You'll appreciate how quiet this unit operates. Even during high fan speed, it quietly cools your room, easily handling summer nights. A dimming display also ensures it won't light up your space too brightly. On scorching afternoons, simply switch to cool mode for optimal relief. Controlling this air conditioner is a breeze with the user-friendly app. Access all settings right from your smartphone and receive alerts when it's time to replace the filter. Room temperature adjustments become an effortless task, enhancing convenience. One noteworthy aspect is the lack of a built-in dehumidifier, unlike some competitors. However, this unit's eco mode balances energy efficiency and cooling performance, making it an eco-friendly choice. What impressed me most was the design. Windmill emphasizes a modern aesthetic that fits seamlessly into various home styles. While some might miss additional humidity control, the sleek look and smart technology may outweigh that for many users. Experience a new level of comfort with the Windmill Smart Window Air Conditioner. Its innovative features and quiet operation establish it as a top contender in the market. Don't blink. The following AC brings smart features to your fingertips. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. At number 1, we have Whirlpool 24,000 BTU Window Air Conditioner, the best air conditioner overall. Cooling down large spaces is a breeze with the Whirlpool 24,000 BTU Window Air Conditioner. This powerhouse effortlessly cools rooms up to 1,500 square feet, making it ideal for open floor plans. Its high EER rating of 10.4 ensures energy efficiency, which equals savings on your electric bill. You'll appreciate the 3 cooling speeds and smart modes like Eco and Sleep, which let you customize comfort. 8-way louvers provide precise air direction, so every corner of your room receives a refreshing blast. Control everything easily with the remote, featuring a clear LCD display and a convenient 24-hour timer for those who prefer automation. Noise levels hover around 67 decibels, which feels relatively calm for a unit of this power. While some users mention it can feel a bit louder, it's manageable, especially when cooling large spaces. A window mounting kit simplifies installation, making setup straightforward and quick. Maintaining this air conditioner is easy too. The washable air filter comes with an indicator light to remind you when it needs attention. What stands out most is the combination of power and efficiency that rivals similar models. You'll enjoy the balance of cooling capability and thoughtful features that enhance usability. Installation requires a 230-volt outlet, which might need consideration for some homes. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best air conditioners. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which air conditioner you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.